Now I'm standing still, and it's Tuesday evening, and I have loaded to Mo i Rana and Mosjön today. I was trying to film when they load, but I was not allowed to film anything in there. I will film when I unload in Mo i Rana. I have made some move today where I had the GoPro on my head with an head strap. So I will show you later later when I overtake another track, and you will see how it looks like from my point of view. I also come up with an idea today. I have my Dashcam. From now on I will show you some movies from the Dashcam that happens every day. Today I have only one episode, and it was tonight. That was when I saw that I realized I could show you from the Dashcam. So it is not much more to say. I will have some food and then I will go to bed and watch Seinfeld. And if you don't subscribe, I would be very happy if you do. Good night. I found a few old clips from the Dashcam, so I will show them to you in this movie too. I didn't remember I had them. I have saved them. So yeah, hope you like it, and say bye.